Hello to everyone, guys. Welcome to the future of enterprise management. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you manage your business? Join us as we dive into the seamless installation of Odoo 17 on Windows. Enhance your experience by configuring it with one of the most popular development tools, Visual Studio Code. So, whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, our step by step guide is designed to make your journey smooth and efficient. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful tech tutorials. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Okay, let's start with by downloading Odoo 17, and for that it's https odoo.com and page download. I will also give this link in the description as well. So what you need to do once you hit that link, you just need to click on Windows and then Odoo 17 download. So it will be started in a couple of minutes. Yes. So after downloading this image, you just need to double click that, which I have already done. So once you will click that yes, you will see that this pop-up will will appear here. So you just need to choose your language. I'm choosing English here. And then next here, yes, of course, we agree the agreement. And here, uh, Odoo server and PostgreSQL database. So because I have already installed PostgreSQL database, so I'm not clicking, uh, I'm not checking it here. But what you need to do, you can just also, it will be already be checked. So it will not make any difference if you will. You just need to check here as well because you will be installing first time. So Odoo server and PostgreSQL database. So because I have already installed it, let me just show you. So in my system already, I will show you that it already has been installed. So you can see PostgreSQL is already there. So that's why you just need to install it. Sorry, if you already have installed it, but definitely will install it. So only two pop-ups, Odoo server and PostgreSQL database. So you will say install, and here you can just choose the folder where you want to install it. So I will just say my PC C, and I would say Odoo 17, and then install it. That's it. So what I'm going to do, I will just pause this video, and once it will be completed, I will just unpause it and we will start it from there. Right, guys? Okay. Okay, guys. So it has been installed. And what we need to do, we just need to click next and start Odoo. Just leave that start Odoo now, and we can just say finish. So after that, what we need to do, we just need to, we have already installed Odoo 17 now. So what we do, we just install Visual Studio. So this is the code. This is the link here to install Visual Studio Code, which is code.visualstudio.com download, which I will definitely give you in the description as well. So as you know, I have already installed Visual Studio Code, which is this one. Uh, Visual Studio Code, I have already installed it. So I'm not installing it, but definitely if you want to install it, you just need to click Windows and just follow the process, and it will definitely will install Visual Studio Code. Um, so yeah, this is about the Visual Studio Code. So once it will be installed, what we need to do, we just need to configure our Visual Studio Code along with Odoo 17. So let's start that. Right. So I have just opened Visual Studio Code. So what you need to do, first of all, the first thing you need to do, you need to click File and then click Open Folder. So once you do that, you just need to choose the destination where you have already installed Odoo 17. So in my case, I have installed in C and then Odoo 17. So just choose this, double click this. Once you will double click, it will open all the folders here, which have been, which are there in that Odoo 17 folder. So then you just need to select server and select folder. So after choosing the folder, what you need to do, the next thing is click here, uh, just place your cursor on run and then click on add configuration. Once you do that, uh, you will see that this pop-up will appear. You just need to choose Python. And once you choose Python, uh, you just need to choose the first one, Python file debug the currently active Python file. Once you do that, then automatically it will create a file launch.json in the folder .vs code automatically. So I believe you have already understood the process. So you just need to click on run and then you just need to choose add configuration. After that, you need to just click on Python and then the first option, the debug with Python. So that will create this file. Okay, I will share another file which where I have just made some changes. So what you need to do, you just need to remove this and you just need to paste that file, which I will definitely give you in the description. And that file is this one. So first of all, I just explain you about this file. So in version, any version, you can just write it in here. Then name. So what I do, I just write out Odoo 17 here. Python Odoo 17, then type Python launch false. No need to change all these. And then here, you just need to give the path of your python.exe. So in my case, if I just go in the folder, let me just open the folders, which is here. So I just go in my PC and then see, this is my folder where Odoo has been installed, which is Odoo 17. And then you go in server, and then in server, there is, let me just check, where is that? Yeah. So in Python, so in Odoo 17, I have installed Odoo in Odoo 17. Then there is a folder named as Python. And then in Python, python.exe. This is the application. This is Python application or exe file, which we need to give reference to our launch.json file, which I have did. So C, Odoo 17, then Python, then python.exe. Please make sure that uh, you need to give two backslash here, two here. Just copy and paste this file and just make changes in here. Then in console, you don't need to do any change. Program uh, in workspace root and then Odoo bin. So because our, if I go back in Odoo 17, so because in Odoo 17 and in server, so because our server is the workspace root, so on in the same workspace root we already has got Odoo bin. So that's why we just need to give this path, just slash slash backslash Odoo dash bin, because our Odoo dash bin um, has been contained or has been in the same folder, which is workspace root. So what is the meaning of workspace root? It means that when you select file and then open folder, so the folder which you are opening is basically called workspace root. And we are saying that in the same folder, our Odoo dash bin file is there. Then in argument, we need to give Odoo configuration file. So in our case, Odoo configuration file, where is it? Here. And it's also contained in the same workspace root. So that's it. You don't need to make any other change in this file. That's it. Just copy and paste and just make changes in these the paths which I have already explained it to you. So this is all done. One more thing which is bit important. Uh, uh, Already, if you have installed Visual Studio C and you are already a developer, you already know this. If you click on File, so then click on Autosave. So it means that you don't need to make manual saving all the time. Whenever you will just pre auto save it, it means you don't need to do that automatically. It will keep saving all your work. So once you do that, then you need to open your configuration file, which is here, odoo.conf. Okay, here you just need to give your add-ons path. So in our case, um, we have already installed Odoo 17 in C, and then there is a folder server, and then in server there is a folder Odoo, and then our add-ons lies there. So these add-ons basically are called base add-ons. So we need to give the paths in our odoo.configuration file. So if I open my folder, my computer folder, so if I go in C, I go in Odoo 17 and then in server, and then in server there is a folder Odoo, and then in Odoo all these base add-ons we call. So we need to give the here the path. Then what you need to do, the next change is the DB user. So remember, because I already have installed PostgreSQL, but whenever we installing PostgreSQL along with Odoo 17, when you click on next, and if you are also installing PostgreSQL, then you see that DB username and DB password there. So normally it's already pre-written there. DB user pre-written there OpenPG, and password is OpenPG PWD. So, and the DB port 5432, it's already written there. You don't need to do anything. So let's suppose if you are installing PostgreSQL along with Odoo 17, when you click next, when you're installing Odoo 17 along with PostgreSQL, uh, you will see on your screen DB user, which is OpenPG, and then DB password, OpenPG PWD, and then you have a port there 5432. So you don't change that, just click next, 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 and already it's already here in configuration file. If not, you can give the path here. Okay, let's suppose that you want to create another user in PostgreSQL. So what you can do, you can just click here and you can just choose PG admin 4. This app basically install along with your PostgreSQL. So when, or you can install it by yourself as well. So if you click on server and if you click on localhost, so the password here is also, I guess, the same, which is open pg pwd. When I click that, so it will open the localhost, and here you can see that this is the already created user openpg. If I click here, I show you the properties. So openpg is the name, its password is openpg pwd. When I create, that is the password. So all the dependencies and so here you can also create a new user. So if I go here to create a new user, let's suppose you want to create a user Odoo 17, and this is the name of the user. Then in definition, you can give password. So whatever password you want, and then privileges, you can just give all the privileges, and after that you can click save. Once you click save, uh, your user will be created, and then in your Odoo configuration file you can give the same username, the same password, and the same port if you have given the different port, but otherwise 5432. So after doing that, it's all set. And one more thing you need to do here, which is log file. So what you need to do, you just comment this log file. Okay, I guess that's it. This is pretty much everything. Um, it's already been saved. And so what we do, we just try. Okay, one more thing I want to just let you know. This is HTTP port that where you want to open um, your Odoo in. So if you want to give a different port, you can. So let's just remain the same 8069 and we just try to run our Odoo. If I click on run without debugging, so it has started, and if you see, this is 8069. This is my user Fimi and 8069 this port. So it is running, it's perfectly fine, no issues at all. So what we do now, so we just open our local host. Beautiful. So as you see 8069, it's already running. So this is the master password which you can save anywhere. So in this case, let me just save it here. So you can save it and then database name, whatever database you want. So let me just create Odoo stick 17. Email, any email you can just give. I just give this one. Password, I want admin. Okay, let me just give admin here rather than typing all the time email. So I just say admin, password is admin. Uh, Phone number, anything you can just give, whatever. Okay, here language is any language you can just select. So I will definitely select English, UK, and country. My country is United Kingdom. And if you want demo data, you can other, if not, you can just leave it. But what I do, mm, let's create demo data and create database. Once you do that, it will start creating the database. So it will maybe take 2-3 minutes. So let me just pause the video. Once it will create, I will just unpause it so I don't waste much time. Okay, it looks like it has been created now. Okay, it has been created. Now the password we have already saved, password and username admin. So we just click login and our Odoo 17 has landed. Wow, this is very smooth process. I believe you just like how I demonstrated and how I just give you some idea. Uh, it's even faster and more secure than before and packed with exciting AI solutions as well. As you know, uh, Odoo has developed new apps that accompany the oldies but goldies as well. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Odoo has been completely redesigned, and but the new design represents everything that Odoo stands for. It's clean, exciting, initiative, but fun, and it makes your work days better, just like the rest of the Odoo. Uh, Industry library, building a database can be overwhelming, especially when choosing from Odoo's 70 plus apps. um, Odoo 17 comes with a solution. The new industry module is designed to jumpstart the whole process. No need to start from scratch anymore. Simply choose your industry from library and selection of related apps will be automatically installed. So there is a new app, as I told, industry as well. So restaurant as well, it's a new app. Was already there. Then uh, accounting, inventory, website, MRP2. This is also a new thing, some extension of MRP manufacturing. Then point of sales has really revamped major changes this year, resulting in state of art software, a dream come true for modern restaurants and shops. It's all about giving you and your customers options. Uh, they can now order and pay by scanning QR codes with their phones or using a self-check kiosk. So there is a kiosk feature as well there. Then Chat GPT in Odoo. Guys, when you will install website, in website they have already integrated Chat GPT. So it's amazing. It's lots of fun. Fleet is already there. Appraisal. So okay, once you want to install anything, you can just click on the app and it will just install it for you. Uh, then Website exciting news for anyone embarking on an Odoo journey. The website scrapper is finally live. The new features allows you to transform any website into an Odoo page. Forget lengthy migrations, manual copy pasting, and redesigning your digital home from scratch. Just paste your website's address and let the magic happen. So this is a new thing. Your sales uh, is even much improved. WhatsApp, wow. WhatsApp is already there, guys. You ask for it. The powerful tool needs no introduction, but let us walk you through the possibilities, the range of operations, including sending sale orders, confirmations, shipping details, invoices, payment links, point of sale receipts, even reminders or tickets or customized messages from contact view. You can also sort it out through WhatsApp. Accounting is much more faster. So there is much more, guys. It's just lots and lots of things. So I have just activate sales. So let it just complete it. Let me just pause the video and I will come back. Okay, guys. I think it has been installed and it's just reloading because okay, it's been done. So if I click on discuss, already sales has been installed. If I click on sales, you can see the whole new beautiful sales app in front of us. So in the same way, if you want to install more apps, you can just do by uh, just typing it in, or just if you see it in front of you, click activate, it will install it. Guys, I believe, I hope you just like the video, and this is really easy process how you can just configure your Odoo new 17 along with Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 or Windows 10 as well. So guys, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, share it with your friends, and give me some idea. If you want to ask any questions, you're most welcome to ask in the messages, and I will try my best to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Take care and see you in next video. Bye bye.